Answer your hand, please.
What is this?
This is a chemical burn. Stay with the pain. Don't shut this out.
Not the cross, Charlie.
If you're innocent, then you have nothing to worry about, right?
You say one word.
I think you did it.
That's what you do. I don't want to hurt you. Don't hurt me. If we waited any longer, you'd be dead.
We waited long enough.
Do yourself a favor. Don't. We're gonna take our time.
Okay, you know, I'm sure I'm buying your threats anymore. Oh my god, okay. All right, boss. I'll do it.
Easy, Tiger.
You could surrender to them. I gave everything for you. And this is what you give to me.
Look at me.
Do it.
Just do it.
Oh my god. Okay.
I need you. You can't win, Ariel. I still serve God.
Please don't kill me for this.
What's your name? Winchester. What, Winchester? No, we're not done here.
Amateur hocus pocus. Don't forget, you learned all your tricks from me, little brother.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm here. I'm not gonna leave you. I'm not gonna leave you.